It's Angiebee and welcome back to my channel, and today we are filming another video about braids. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's going to be linked right down there, and there's a little bell icon right next to it. Make sure you click that icon as well, which just makes sure you get your notifications on time as soon as I post a video. Without further ado, let's get straight into the video. Before that, can we just give it up for my highlight though? Like what? My highlight is popping. It is coming through today, and these lips, I'm so in love with my makeup look today. If you guys would like a tutorial on my makeup, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and comment in the section below. If you don't want to see a makeup tutorial, maybe you can comment whatever other video you'd like to see in my video, whatever other video you would like to see on my channel soon. So as this is how I sleep with my braids, my night routine, I figured my bed would be the best location to film it. So this is just my quick, easy way that I sleep with the really long box braids. As you can see, they are pretty long. If I get up, the braids are really long. They are about to my waist. So these are waist length box braids, and they are also on the bigger side. So sleeping with these braids would be really uncomfortable if I just left them like flat, or if I just tied them, how people just put like a satin scarf, and that's just way too uncomfortable for me. So the previous video that I did on this, how to sleep with long box braids, got so many views and so many comments, and lots of people talk about how much they really love it and it's so comfortable. So I thought I'd do the updated version, which is even easier. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Let's get into it. So I'm just putting my little mirror here so I can see myself properly. And this literally takes me under a minute to do. I promise you guys, this will be the most comfortable way you've ever slept with your braids before. If you haven't tried my previous video, it's almost the same thing, but kind of different. So what you need: a bonnet and nothing. Literally, you don't need anything. You don't need a hair tie. You don't need anything. So let me show you what I do. I throw my hair to the back. Then I divide it into two even sections like so. Then I cross them over each other, making sure that as little braids as possible are lifted at the top. Then I do this, and then I twist a little bit, just like that. Then I bring them forward to the front. Now I'm going to show you this from the back again, just so you guys can see what I'm doing. Divide the hair into two at the back. Get the hair, twist a little bit, and bring it to the front. You guys can see how that is at the back. So now when we reach this part, what you do is hold this bit with your hand, with your finger, and then just twist this, and you see why it makes it easier. After that's twisted, you can hold it and then do the same with the other side. Twist. So now you have hair like this. What you're going to do is tie it in a knot, and I promise you this is not going to add like a kink in your braids, because this is Kanekalon fiber. It's not real hair. Unless you're using like actual real hair, you do not have to worry about anything. And if anything comes out like this, you just need to tuck it under the knot, like so. So you tie this once. You have these little pieces left, and twisting them just makes it easier to tie. And it's not going to get tangled unless you have like some super strength, okay? So after this, we're going to tie it into a knot again. Like so. And you've got yourself a little braid turban. So if there's anything like this, you can just bring it through and tuck it in. A little cuter than the old version, okay? A little bit cuter. And if you're wondering if it's going to untie, as long as you tie it tight enough, but not tight enough to lock, which I don't think you can even do, this will stay on your head just like this all night. So that's what it looks like from the side. From the side. And let me show you the back. Then to make sure it stays in place and also to minimize frizz, because I do not like frizzy braids, and to keep the frizz at bay for much longer, all you need to do is get whatever little satin bonnet you have, put it over your head, and bam, you can sleep. No one will even know you have super long box braids. It's flat on every side, so whether you sleep flat like this, whether you sleep on your side, on any side, either side, it doesn't matter. This just stays on so perfectly well. So if you like this tutorial, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you comment. Tell me what you'd like to see in the future. Subscribe to the channel if you didn't at the beginning. And now let me just show you what it looks like again and how easy it is to take down. No kinks, no nothing. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.